Okay, fried eggplants, tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese baked in the oven. Really fabulous. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to speed this right up. What we're going to do is we're going to cut our eggplants. I'm using 2 of them here. Fairly thick. I mean, you can cut them thin if you want. We're going to fry them in some oil with salt and pepper and set them aside. Okay, in this pan here, I've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Change the oil if you want. A tablespoon of garlic and 1 cup of onion. We're going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Oregano I'm using, about a teaspoon. Some salt, black pepper, and then I'm going to add in 2 cans of tomatoes. When I say 2 cans, I'll show you them just right now. But yeah, 400 ml each. That was a whole plum tomato. Crushed it up roughly with my hand. We're going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on a kind of just below medium heat. Our sauce is done, our eggplants are done. Wow, we're going through this really fast, aren't we? Really simple, delicious stuff. Okay, so you're going to need a baking tray. I'm using glass, you could use ceramic, you could use metal, as long as it can go in the oven. We've laid down the eggplants on the bottom. We've put the sauce over the top, as you can see. Just going to flatten that out a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then some Parmesan cheese. Now you can put a load on if you want. I don't like too much on it. So what you want to do is get this into a preheated oven. Get your oven on maximum heat, as hot as possible. We're going to pop that in. It's going to be about, I think, maybe 9 or 10 minutes. You kind of know what we're looking for, don't you? Have a look at that. Not bad at all. Really simple. Told you I wasn't going to keep you that long today. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.